Having trouble with your T-Mobile hotspot password? Here's how to fix it. First, understand the common causes. Recent firmware updates on your T-Mobile 5G hotspot, especially version 1.210.01, conflicts with older devices like Android 10 or earlier, or the hotspot reverting to default settings. The key is your Wi-Fi password, typically 863 characters, and security mode such as WPA2 or WPA3. Start by accessing your hotspot settings via the T-Mobile app or a web browser, usually at 192.168.1.1. Log in with your admin password, which is admin by default. If your password isn't working, use the T-Mobile app or web interface to change the Wi-Fi password and ensure the security mode is set to WPA2 for best compatibility. If problems persist, try a reset. A soft reset or power cycle may clear glitches. If that fails, a hard reset using a paper clip in the reset hole for 10 to 15 seconds will restore factory settings, erasing all custom configurations. Remember to reconfigure your hotspot after a hard reset. According to T-Mobile support data, many issues are solvable via the app, so try that first. Shift to WPA3 reduces 70% of brute force risks, but users must update devices regularly.